back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create study mind maps in XMind. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create study mind maps in XMind, all you gotta do is simply go to XMind. Once you have gone to XMind, you need to simply tap on it. Once you have logged in into this account as well, you need to start with a central idea. You can simply start with a central idea, use the tab to add main topics and enter for sibling topics, and tab again for subtopics. Then you can add details with notes, markers like ticks for completed items and relationships, leveraging structures like the brace map for concepts, and customizing the styles and colors to visually organize your study material. So if you're going to do this, then you will be able to create study mind maps in your XMind, which will also promote effectiveness and efficiency in your note creation. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.